Well, folks, here we go again.
Yes, that's right. Now, one of the issues that I've found that when I take my gas cap off, I don't know if you can hear that. I hear some gurgling noises down in the neck, and I'm not sure what causes that. And I don't think that's supposed to do that. I'm not sure. It's confusing. I'm still looking into that. Sometimes after I do this and I put the cap back on, the engine wants to die. See? And it just quit. So I definitely have a fuel problem in the system somewhere that I'm going to have to do some further research and try to figure out what the problem is. Okay, it just died on me a while ago when I put the cap back on. Let's see if it'll start back up. See, it starts back up. Now if I leave the cap on, it's really hard to start. I don't know what the issue is there. If anybody has any ideas, please put it in the comments on this video if you watch. Thank you. Okay, I finally got a light. I'm gonna look into that. Let's see. I'm gonna shut her down. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's the same old code. It's a leak in the EVAP system. So I've been trying to find it, and evidently that's what's causing these problems. Out. And I'm just doing some minor work, piddling and stuff on the Jeep today. Nothing serious. And I still got a fuel problem issue. I don't know if it's an EVAP or fuel pressure problem. I've had some issues I've talked about before. After gassing up, it doesn't want to start. It's hard to start. It starts up and then it's running real rough and eventually clears out. So I'm looking into that, and I got a fuel pressure gauge. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to check my fuel pressure. I think I don't have a Schrader valve on this 2004, but I think I can hook it right there. I'm not sure. I'm going to check into it. Okay, it's my Jeep back. Quick update. I do plan on checking my fuel pressure with this kit that I got off of eBay. It's a brake bleeding and fuel pressure kit, and it's about $23 with tax. I've got to read up on it and make sure I use it properly. I think what I got to do is, like I said earlier, is connect it, undo this fuel line, and I believe that valve there will connect to this fuel pressure gauge. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'm going to do this today. I may. I'm going to probably finish this video and go ahead and get it out. And I'm just trying to keep regular videos coming, even though there's just minor stuff and it's probably boring. But that's it for now. My Jeep out.